Okay, I'm installing the exposed rack system on the soft top Bronco. So the first thing you have to do is remove, if you have it, the hard top plate. I had it on mine. There's 3 of the Bronco bolts. Use the biggest item in your kit, take those off, and then you install these offset ones facing inward on the front and the other ones in the back facing outward. And there's 3 holes here. When you take that off, they go in the back too. Pretty easy so far. It's just lock washers and Allen hex keys, and I'll be putting the bars are now in. They slide in the outside holes in the front and the inside holes in the back. You can see from pictures that the label goes toward the back and the back, and toward the front and the front. It fits around the rough country Bimini perfect, and I've got the drop-in slots. So I've got offset kayak mounts, and they should pop right in there. This is how it fits with the soft top up. It's got about 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch on each side. So the kayak mounts, they snap in. They're a little loose right now, but that's fine. Once you get some weight on it, you strap them down. It does come with 2 friction straps, which is pretty normal for kayak racks. But I'll get my 10-footer on there in the future, and I'll let you know how she looks. But I like the versatility. You know, I could get another set of these and put 2 kayaks up here if I wanted to. I run solo right now, so not an issue, but it gives me some options. I could, you know, they sell mounts for like rooftop tents and not rooftop tents, but awnings and stuff. Obviously awnings don't make a whole lot of sense on a soft top, but we'll see. Stay tuned for more. Thanks.